You are welcome to another English class. This time we are looking at question tags. What are question tags, by the way? Question tags are short questions added at the beginning of an existing statement, used for two reasons. Number one is either to confirm what is being said. Number two is to instigate a response from the person to whom we are talking. There are four basic rules in question tags, and I am going to treat those four quickly. I'll write a short note with examples, and I'm going to discuss all of this, making emphasis on these rules with these 2 or 4 examples. Okay, join me. Good. Question tags are short questions added at the end of statements. Like I said, 1, to confirm what is being said. Number 2, to instigate a response from the second person. And I said there are 4 basic rules. I just listed them and I'm going to discuss them briefly. Number 1 says where your statement is positive, the question tag must be negative. Look at these 2 examples. James has gone home. Hasn't he? James has gone home. This is a clear positive statement. It is positive because there is nothing like those words that make a statement negative. Words that make statements negative are not, never, hardly, really, etc. Okay? Words like this, when they appear in a statement, that statement is said to be negative. Let's look at some. Okay, another example I'm looking at here is the students are in the class, aren't they? We notice here that the statement, the students are in the class, it's a statement of fact. There is no negativity here. Therefore, aren't they must carry a negativity. That is, are they not? Are they not? Aren't they? Okay, so there is negative in the question tag here. There's also negative in the question tag in the first example I gave. Obeying the rules of where your statement is positive, the question tag must be negative. I hope this is clear. Number 2 example raised us. Where your statement is negative, the question tag must be positive. That is just the opposite of number 1 rule. And look at the example in this category. Number 1 says, James hasn't gone home. Has he? I decided to change the same example I use here. So when you're using a statement which is negative, your question tag must be positive, meaning there should be no words such as not, never, and so on. The second example raised us, the students aren't in the class. Are they? The students aren't in the class. Are they? The statement is negative because there is an element of not here in the word aren't. Okay? Therefore, the question tag is positive. Are they? The third rule says a comma is used to separate the statement from the question tag. It is important we take note of that. Look at the examples I gave up there. James has gone home. There's a comma after the statement before the question tag. In this example too, there is a comma after the statement before the question tag. The same thing applies here. Now, the fourth and last example among the 4 major rules, like I said, is every question is followed by a question mark. It is important we notice question mark after each question tag. So your question tag is not complete without a question mark. I need you to copy this and After that, I'll leave you with some statements to add the appropriate question tag. That will be the class exercise on this topic. So take note. Okay, here is the class exercise, a very simple one I must say. Add the appropriate question tags to the following statements, and you have them number 1 to 10. Please, I need you to do this quickly and get back to me. I'll see you in the next class. Bye for now.